this is his little pirate costume. I started with the cocked hat. It is crocheted. Started in the center here. Just how doing the same thing as how I start my infant hats. Crocheted that round and down, and then crocheted a circle straight out, and then brought the sides in, stitched them up, and there is his little cocked hat. Here's what his tricorn hat looks like before it's stitched into a tricorn. It is a simple dome with a brim. And then all we do, evenly stitch in 3 sides, so it'll be a tricorn. Black doesn't always show up really well, but that is the tricorn. It'll look really cute on him. Very nice contrast. I will put a pipe cleaner through it so that it can sit on his little head. For the rest of the costume, very, very simple. The shirt, comprised of 3 rectangles. Hemmed, stitched together. For the sleeves, I gathered them up to create the nice poofiness. The necker, I did put little snaps on it so that it would stay in place, and this is the only way that it secures or ties to Atreyu. And it's very nice and big and loose. The pants are another rectangle. I jagified the edges to make them look all worn and raggedy. And this just sits on top of him. I originally thought of maybe securing the arms and legs with elastic, but I was worried that he wouldn't like the feel of it and it would be difficult to get him in and out of it. Well, especially in. I'd make it loose enough that he'd manage to get out of it. This is mostly just going to rest on him like a little cape and look pretty. Same thing with the hat. There's no strap or anything, it just rests on his little head. So if he doesn't like it, he can tip it off. It's very important for me that I not stress out my lovely Beardy too much.